Hello everyone, I'm still researching the answer to that question, where do we get our ideas from? For some people, it's travel. One of my favourite thriller writers, Graham Greene, always felt the need to be where he was writing about. So, when he writes The Quiet American, he goes to Vietnam. When he writes The Comedians, he goes to Haiti. When he writes The Third Man, he goes to Vienna. When he writes Brighton Rock, he goes to... Sorry, I've forgotten that one. Anyway, he felt the need to be where he was writing about in order to get his inspiration. Another one of my heroes, David Attenborough, was on Desert Island Discs recently, and he was asked, what does it feel like to be the most travelled man in the world? His answer was very interesting. He said that his hero, Charles Darwin, only travelled for 6 months and then spent the rest of his life thinking. However, I'm with G.K. Chesterton, who said that travel narrows the mind. And another problem with travel, of course, is that you have to take yourself with you. So imagine if you were stuck in a very small room, like the Birdman of Alcatraz, with only this little fellow for company. What ideas would you have? It would appear that the answer to that question, where do we get our ideas from, is up here.